Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, and USB board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel, webcam, and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the motherboard. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel and tape on the base enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the webcam and wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the base enclosure. While supporting the display panel assembly, remove the three 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the base enclosure. Remove the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the base enclosure. Carefully guide the display panel assembly out from under the lip on the base enclosure and remove. Carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Rotate the display panel forward until you gain access to the display panel cable routing channel. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Carefully remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display panel and set the display panel down in front of the display enclosure. Remove the tape that covers the display panel cable connector on the display panel and disconnect the display panel cable. Peel back the mylar and disconnect the display panel cable from the G-sensor board. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel and display panel assembly.